fire away. Just some things, just a reminder, Project 1. I've decided that, I don't know if this is bad of me, but we'll have a 5-point penalty if you're not here that day. I feel so bad doing that, but it doesn't create an incentive for being here. So if you aren't going to be here or if something pops up, let me know. At 5 points, obviously, I don't feel really too comfortable about it already, but I think we do need to have some quote. I'm trying to think of the right term. It's a reward, I guess, for coming here and having to hear my critique in person, but also hopefully learn from others as we go. You'll get a snapshot of that today as I look over exercise 4. I'll then share everybody's, and then we'll hopefully learn some more as I, kind of explain also why I created that particular assignment. One of the things is we got the project. There is the little town that maps. I've heard from 2 people as far as what they plan on doing for Project 1, and the 2 have both been related to option 1. And as I was 2 in the morning, up in the middle of the night, thinking about this course and thinking about how I need to teach it better and improve, I was thinking, you know what? I've never once taught you guys how to make dots or make lines on a map. Essentially, what we've always done is we've used the Indy neighborhoods or the road networks, or we use someone else's stuff. We never ever have essentially done where we created our own stuff. And that's actually quite relevant for those who are grad students or those who actually are making the maps. You oftentimes will be creating or adding data, adding points, adding lines. And that's going to be one of the objectives I have with today, which is a newly created assignment, never been used before. So it's bound to have all kinds of problems. But we'll work through that. But as I go through that particular exercise, I do keep that in mind that there are some things I'll be touching on that might be related to you in option 1. The other ones I've already explained. I'm not really going to spend too much time explaining them to you all again. So if you have not heard the further explanation of the project and the options, go back to, what was that, February 20th? Yeah, it was February 20th, so 7 days ago. 7 days ago, we were here, right? Yeah. And so then you can go back and find out more as far as details and explanation there. All right, like I said, exercise 4, all but one. I shouldn't say that. We don't want to call that person out, but everyone, we've got the assignments here. Go ahead. So this is no particular order. So I'm just going to go through them. And so this kind of, touches on some bigger picture ideas. And so there's kind of some common problems, some common situations. I was trying to present you with some common problems and common things to think about. So 2 main things is the labels, how to do the labels, but also kind of dealing with the problem that, okay, we have this underlying surface. This underlying surface that isn't really one harmonious color. Now, for the most part, if you zoom out, it is mostly dark green, dark brown, black, all the things we associate with the river, darker colors.